Are you tired of scooping your cat's litter box every single day? In this video, we're talking about the best self-cleaning litter boxes for cats that will save you time, keep your home smelling fresh, and make both you and your furry friend happier. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Fumoi self-cleaning litter box is a game changer for cat owners who want a cleaner home and less daily hassle. This large automated self-cleaning litter box is perfect for single or multiple cats, making it a reliable solution for busy households or frequent travelers. One of the most impressive features is its advanced safety protection, with infrared motion sensors that pause cleaning immediately when your cat enters, ensuring complete safety even during remote monitoring. The high-capacity 95-liter litter drum means you can go days without scooping, and the 15-liter sealed waste compartment locks away odors, keeping your home fresh. Compatible with clumping and silica-based litters, it offers flexibility for your cat's preferences. The smart app integration is a standout feature, allowing you to control cleaning cycles, schedule waste disposal, and track litter usage with real-time alerts right from your phone. This is perfect for anyone who loves staying on top of their cat's needs, even while away from home. The reinforced leak-proof edges and removable waste tray make cleaning stress-free, while the washable liner cuts down on waste and saves money in the long run. It also runs with an ultra-quiet night mode, making it ideal for light sleepers or homes with cats that are most active at night. Designed for cats over 2.6 pounds, the Fumoi self-cleaning litter box combines smart technology, convenience, and safety to give both you and your furry friend a much better litter box experience. PetPivot self-cleaning cat litter box is a fantastic choice for cat parents who value a simple, effective, and stress-free solution to litter box maintenance. This large, open-top litter box offers a spacious entrance measuring 16.33 by 15.35 inches, making it perfect even for larger breeds that need a little extra room. The open-top design not only keeps cats comfortable, but also helps improve ventilation, reducing odors and making your home smell fresher. Safety is a major priority here, thanks to its multi-layered monitoring system, featuring 4 infrared sensors and 3 Hall effect sensors. This smart system detects when your cat is inside and pauses cleaning automatically, so you never have to worry about accidental interruptions or harm. The PetPivot model is also equipped with a generous 10-liter waste bin, allowing you to go several days without emptying it, a huge time saver for busy pet owners. One of the best features is its whisper-quiet performance, operating at less than 32 decibels, making it ideal for use in bedrooms or quiet living spaces without disturbing your peace. Another highlight is its simple setup. There is no need for Wi-Fi or a complicated app, just plug it in and you are ready to go. Maintenance is also a breeze, with a quick-release design for easy disassembly and open access for quick wipe-downs. The PetPivot self-cleaning cat litter box is perfect for anyone who wants hassle-free cleaning, a comfortable space for their cat, and peace of mind knowing safety and convenience are well taken care of. Cumrige self-cleaning litter box is a modern, high-tech solution that takes cat care to the next level, especially for households with multiple cats or busy schedules. Designed with advanced sensors, this litter box prioritizes cat safety by detecting your pet's presence and automatically pausing cleaning cycles, so you never have to worry about accidents. With a large 95-liter roller capacity, it is perfect for cats weighing between 2.2 and 33 pounds, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. The 15-liter waste bin can last up to 15 days, which is incredibly convenient for anyone who travels frequently or simply wants fewer trips to empty the bin. This model is compatible with clumping litter, making it easy to maintain a consistent routine for your feline friends. The Cumrige also excels in keeping your home quiet and peaceful, thanks to its whisper-quiet operation that runs smoothly even at night, ensuring both you and your cat can rest without disturbances. Cleanup is impressively simple with its odor-controlling, leak-proof design that keeps unpleasant smells contained, leaving your home fresh. One of its most useful features is the Tuya Smart App integration, which allows you to control cleaning cycles, trigger one-touch waste disposal, schedule litter changes, and even track your cat's health data remotely. You will receive alerts for full litter boxes or irregularities, so you are always informed about your cat's habits. The Cumrige self-cleaning litter box combines smart technology, convenience, and a modern design that makes life easier for both pet owners and their furry companions. Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box is an excellent option for homes with kittens and medium-sized cats, offering a perfectly balanced design that matches their size and habits. Whether you have just one playful kitten or several furry companions, this extra-large litter box ensures they have plenty of space to stay comfortable while doing their business. One of its standout qualities is the incredibly quiet operation, running at under 35 decibels, about as quiet as a gentle whisper, which makes it perfect for use in bedrooms or small apartments where noise can be disruptive. The Mintakawa also supports both 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair it with the Companion app. Through the app, you can monitor your cat's weight, track toilet durations, and even keep an eye on litter box visits in real time, a great feature for owners who want to stay informed about their cat's health. Cleaning and maintenance are surprisingly easy thanks to its smart design. Simply lift the drum for a quick wash. The entire drum is water washable, which means you can keep it sanitary with minimal effort. It does require some assembly, taking around 90 minutes to set up, but the brand provides a helpful instruction video and manual to guide you through the process. For those who prefer convenience, there is also a pre-assembled version available in their store. The Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box is perfect for pet owners seeking a quiet, app-connected, and easy-to-clean solution that keeps their cat's litter area fresh and hygienic. Paruuntys self-cleaning litter box is a fantastic choice for cats who love space and comfort. Its open-top design features a roomy 16.5 by 16.5 inch entrance, giving your cat plenty of room to move freely without feeling cramped or enclosed. This wide access not only encourages consistent litter box use, but also improves ventilation, reducing lingering odors and keeping the area fresh. Safety is a top priority with Paruuntys thanks to its dual-layered system of 4 weight-activated sensors and 3 high-precision infrared detectors that pause the cleaning cycle instantly. This gives you total peace of mind knowing your cat is always safe. The 10.5-liter sealed waste bin locks in odors, making it perfect for multi-day use or short trips, saving you from the daily hassle of scooping. The smart app integration is another highlight, allowing you to schedule auto-cleaning, empty waste with a single tap, and track your cat's litter box habits from anywhere. It even sends alerts when the bin is full, so you will always know when it is time to empty. The reinforced leak-proof edges, removable waste tray, and washable liner make cleanup simple and eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste over time. Optimized for bentonite, mineral, and mixed litters, it gives you flexibility with the litter you prefer, though it is not suitable for tofu litter. With whisper-quiet operation, the Paruuntys self-cleaning litter box is perfect for nighttime use, ensuring a clean, odor-free, and stress-free experience for both you and your feline friend.